All right, so here's the gang all huddled together around the hay, or sometimes you'll hear me say eno, which is the Spanish for hay, or this kind of hay. There are other kinds of hay. Excuse me, Enza. I want to show your mother down there. It's one of my favorite things they do. They sit in front of the bale. And it's like sitting down at the dinner table and comfortably relaxing while you stuff your face. Good. Cece found her corner. I recycled some hay in that bag so they think it's kind of new-ish when it's really what was already in the trough here. Say hello, Bruno. So Virginia, standing in the corner, while her mother sits behind Jamaica, you can't see. And I'm not going to disturb everybody just to give you a photo, sorry. I think you got a decent angle from here. I have some alpaca beans to clean up. There she is. Now I have a proper angle. You can hear the rain on the roof. And good, Yuki's in this one. I worry that this one gets wet depending on the direction of the wind and rain. This one's going to get wet. Oh, good. They can share. All right, ladies and two boys. It's going to rain a lot later tonight and a good bit of tomorrow. So I'll clean this, and I know tomorrow morning I'm going to find, whoa, Jamaica, I exited you, Mr. Bruno. She said, this is mine, apparently. Maybe Yuki will be more pleasant. You can say goodbye, Nitos, if you want to. We're going to leave it here. I'm going to clean this up and go to the boys before the rain really starts to fall. Okie doke. Oh, I need the bag. Excuse me, Pola. Okay, now really goodbye. Adios, Nitos.